In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a discount in Shopify. If you're looking to boost sales or reward your loyal customers, setting up discounts is a great way to make your store more appealing. Follow along as we go through each step to seamlessly create a discount right from your Shopify dashboard. To start, we need to navigate to your Shopify admin homepage. Open your web browser and head over to the Shopify login page, entering your admin credentials to access your store's dashboard. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Shopify homepage. This is your command center, from where you can manage various aspects of your store. Feel free to explore the options, as familiarizing yourself with the interface can be incredibly helpful. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the page. You'll notice a menu with several options. Here, we need to locate and click on Discounts. The Discounts tab is instrumental in setting up promotions that can attract more visitors and improve customer retention. By offering discounts, you're giving your customers an incentive to make a purchase. Once you're in the discount section, you'll see a detailed layout displaying any discounts you may have previously set up, as well as options to create new ones. At the top of the page, there's a button labeled Create Discount. Go ahead and click on this to start crafting your unique discount offer. Crafting the right discount is crucial, as it needs to meet business goals while simultaneously appealing to your target audience. Now in the discount creation interface, find the option that says Amount Off Products. Clicking on this option allows you to set up a specific discount amount that will be deducted from the original price of selected products. This type of discount can be particularly effective during sales events or when trying to boost sales of certain product lines. Ensure accuracy when specifying the discount amount to avoid setting it too low or unprofitably high. As you enter the discount details, including the percentage or fixed amount off, remember to specify the collection or individual products this discount applies to. You can customize further by adding conditions like minimum purchase amounts or limiting it to specific customer groups or sales channels. Once everything is set according to your preferences, you can save your changes. Don't forget to review your discount details before saving to make sure it reflects exactly what you want to offer. This prevents potential issues with customers being unable to redeem the discount or the discount consuming more of your profits than intended. Upon saving, you'll return to the discounts dashboard. Your newly created discount should now be visible, ready to enhance your store's offerings and attract more business. And there you have it, an effective discount ready to roll out on your Shopify store. By following these steps, you can easily implement sales strategies to increase traffic and, ultimately, enhance your store's performance. Thanks for watching and happy selling!